All right, so now that you guys have looked at gravity working on a car, now we're going to look at how weight will change the amount of energy on the car. So you're going to be taking some pennies and taping the pennies to the car. You will only need 1 point to start from, so you can get rid of your bottom 2 points because it's far more exciting from the top. And what you are going to do is you are going to tape 2 pennies onto your car. You are going to do the exact same thing that you did before. You're going to start trying to keep everything as even as possible. You're going to have the car go down the ramp. See, this is how this works. Sometimes you might have to. Well, you're going to have the car go down the ramp. Sometimes you might have to play with the car a little bit in order to make it work. Nope. So you're going to have the car go down the ramp with 2 pennies on it. Okay? The next time you send the car down the ramp, it's going to have 4 pennies on it. And the last times that you send the car down the ramp, it's going to have 6 pennies on it. So you're changing the weight of the car and sending it down the track and measuring how far it goes each time, just like you did last time. So, and then afterwards, answer the question underneath the table. All right, have fun doing this.